Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. This is going to be session 4th for the series AWS AI Practitioner Certification Exam. And in this video, we will discuss actual exam questions itself. And most of the questions in your exam also will be from this series only. And that's why I have written over here 90% will be in your exam. So if you follow all the videos of this series, you will be able to clear your exam definitely. So let's start this video with the 31st question of the series. An AI practitioner has a database of animal photos. The AI practitioner want to automatically identify and categorize the animal in the photos without manual human effort. Which strategy meet these requirements? Here are the options. So requirement is only to identify and categorize animals in the photos without manual effort. So now try to guess the correct one from these options. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option A, object detection. This is because object detection is a computer vision technique used to automatically identify and locate objects within an image. And in this case, it is animals. It also categorizes the objects by labeling them. And that is the requirement of the question. Due to this, option A is correct. Now, question number 32. A company want to create an application by using Amazon Bedrock. The company has a limited budget and prefers flexibility without long-term commitment. Which Amazon Bedrock pricing model meet these requirements? Here are the options. So you have to focus on the limited budget of this question and you need to optimize the cost. You do not need to minimize the cost, you need to optimize it. And now try to guess from these options. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Here, option A, on demand, will be the correct answer. This is because on demand pricing model for Amazon Bedrock provides flexibility, allows company pay only for what they use without requiring long term commitment or upfront payments. This is ideal for a company which has limited budget and that need to control with maintaining flexibility. So, option A is correct. Now, question number 33rd. Which AWS service or feature can help an AI development team quickly deploy and consume a foundation model within the team's VPC? Here are the options. Okay, you must be thinking here about option D, but that is not the correct one. Here, option B is correct. Amazon SageMaker JumpStart. Because JumpStart is a tool that simplifies the process of preparing and deploying models, while endpoints are final destination for the deployed models, making them accessible for the prediction. JumpStart can be thought of as a shortcut to deploying models, while endpoints are the infrastructure that supports the actual model serving. So that is the difference in option B and option D. And due to this, option B is correct. Now, question number 34. How can companies use large language models, LLMs, securely on Amazon Bedrock? Here are the options. Take your time to guess the correct one. Okay. So your security is the concern. So now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option A. Design clear and specific prompt. Configure AWS identity and access management, that is IAM, roles and policies by using list privilege access. This one is correct because using IAM with least privilege will secure the LLM on Amazon Bedrock. Now, question number 35th. A company has terabytes of data in database that the company can use for business analysis. The company want to build an AI based application that can build SQL query from input text that employee provides. The employee has minimal experience with the technology. Which solution will meet this requirement? Here are the options. So here requirement is to build SQL query from the text that an employee who does not have the experience about the technology is providing the text. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option A. generative pre-trained transformers, GPT. This is because the best solution for building an AI based application that translates natural language into SQL query is GPT. Other options do not support that functionality. So option A will be correct. Now question number 36. A company built a deep learning model for object detection and deployed the model to production. Which AI process occurs when the model analyzes a new image to identify objects? Here are the options. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Here, option B, inference, will be the correct answer. This is because AI inference is the process that a trained machine learning model uses to draw conclusions from brand new data. An AI model capable of making inferences can do so without examples of the desired result. So, option B is correct. Now, question number 37. An AI practitioner is building a model to generate new images of human in various professions. The AI practitioner discovered that the input data is biased and the specific attributes affect the image generation and create bias in the model. Which technique will solve the problem? Here are the options. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Option A, that is data augmentation for imbalanced classes, will be the correct option. This is because data augmentation for imbalanced classes is the most effective technique to mitigate bias in the input by ensuring a most balanced representation of classes and attributes in the training set, leading to a fairer and more accurate image generation. So option A will be correct. Now question number 38. A company is implementing the Amazon Titan Foundation model by using Amazon Bedrock. The company need to supplement the model by using relevant data from the company's private data sources. Which solution will meet this requirement? So these are the options. You need to guess the correct one from these. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Option C, create an Amazon Bedrock knowledge base. This will be the correct answer. This is because an Amazon Bedrock knowledge base allows you to incorporate your company's proprietary data into the foundation model. By feeding the model with relevant information, you can enhance its ability to generate more accurate and informative resources. So option C is correct. Now question number 39. A medical company is customizing a foundation model for diagnostic purpose. The company needs the model to be transparent and explainable to meet regulatory requirement. This solution will meet these requirements. Here are the options. Try to guess the correct one. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Here, option B, generate simple metrics, reports, and examples by using Amazon SageMaker Clarify. This will be correct one because it helps to provide transparency and explainability to machine learning models by generating metrics, reports, and visual explanation of the model's prediction. This is crucial for meeting the regulatory requirement in domain like healthcare, where understanding how a model arrives at its decision is essential for validation and trust. SageMaker Clarify also help identify potential bias in model, which is important for ensuring fair and responsible use of AI. So option B is correct. Now question number 40. A company want to deploy a conversational chatbot to answer customer questions. The chatbot is based on a fine-tuned Amazon SageMaker JumpStart model. The application must comply with multiple regulatory frameworks. Which capabilities can the company show compliance for? Choose two. Here are the options. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Here, option B and option C will be the correct answer. Threat detection and data protection. This is because For threat detection, AWS provides a comprehensive security suite, including services like Amazon Guard Duty and AWS Security Hub. These services can help detect and respond to potential threats such as unauthorized access, data breaches, and malicious activity. And by utilizing these services, the company can demonstrate its commitment to security and compliance. And in case of data protection, Amazon SageMakers offers robust data protection features, including data encryption at rest and in transit as well. And by leveraging these features, the company can ensure data is handled securely and complies with relevant data privacy regulations. So friends, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe this channel IT India.